everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing video and a quick build on this P Bandai kit here that I picked up a while back. It's the 1/144th scale Fan Farsia from Gundam AGE, which I have not seen the series yet, so I don't know anything about this mobile suit other than it looked really cool and I wanted to try it out. So, alright, give me a minute and we'll get into the unboxing. Okay, so what we have here is a monochrome box. It's in a nice pinkish color and white. It says Fan Farsia. Nothing fancy. Same stuff all the way around. It's P Bandai, so you know they don't usually do a colored box. So let's open this up and see what's inside. All right. We have one. Two, three parts, 3 bags of parts and runners, and it looks like some of these, I don't know if you can see they're like clear rods, I guess, for the funnels. And we have our instructions here. Tells you how to do the base that it comes with, because this one does come with a base. And we have our standard instruction sheet from the original Farsia. This one here is a little bit different of a color. It's has some different shades of pink in it. And if you can see that, so alright, let's go ahead and open these up and we'll see what's in each one of these, and then we'll build it. Alright, so it looks like we have a little stand, one of those 3-piece ones. Those are actually pretty cool little stands for 1/44th scale. It looks like there's some leg parts, maybe some chest parts. The hands are on this runner. Sure what this, oh, these are, look, it's an open funnel. You can see that. That's pretty cool. They're like flowers. Pretty neat. Alright, well, that's bag one. Looks like the sticker sheet's in this one. There are a few stickers for this kit. It is an older kit, so keep that in mind, but the amount of stickers, this is the sticker sheet. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like seven stickers, so shouldn't be too bad. This one here looks like some of the chest and maybe shoulders, and this looks like that thing that goes around the head, maybe. I don't know. And you get some more open funnels. Those are really cool. All right, let's open this last bag up. And it looks like we have no poly caps for this. Interesting. So these here have all the ball joints and stuff, looks like, for the arms and maybe the legs, torso. And not sure, but I think this ring here is for the funnels, for those, goes around it or something for the funnels. We'll find out. All right, give me a few minutes and we'll do the review. Alright everybody, and I'm back, and I built this kit up for us to take a look at. It is a P Bandai kit. It is from Gundam AGE, which like I said before, I have never seen Gundam AGE, so have to check that out sometime. This kit was actually a pretty cool kit. For being an old kit, it had absolutely no poly caps whatsoever. It went together real simple and easy. And the little piping, the clear piping, you can see this is how you use that. You just bend it how you want, and you put the funnels on the end of there. Has a lot of movability and posability. As you can see, I have it in this really cool little pose on the stand that it comes with. Let's see, let's get it turning here. kind of see it all the way around. Move the camera in a little bit. Now there are two stickers here on the backpack. Let's see. There was one in the face for the eyes. You can't really see it, and there was a silver one that went underneath the orange piece in the chest. I'm not sure what those purple ones were for, but apparently it was for the original kit. This does have a different base than the original kit does. The original kit had like a flower or something that it came with, looking thing on the bottom. But it's a really cool kit. The only thing that I have a problem with is the shoulder armor hits the backpack that's coming over the shoulders, and it'll knock the ball joint out of the arm for the arm. So hold on a second, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Let me shut this off. All right, let's move this out of the way. The other thing is all right. So hold on. Let me move my camera around here so we can see a little bit better, I guess. This mount is a little different, so okay. Now I think we can see it. There we go. I hope that's better. Let's see. Let's move this out of the way. Let's pull it in here, and you can see it up close. These arms, because they don't have anything, they pop out real easy because they're not into a polycap. They're into the same kind of plastic that this is made out of. If you can see that. The hand, of course, are on a ball joint. They have this little gun thing in them. They do have a swivel up here, and the elbow bends about that far. So, legs are pretty much the same. They have a double knee bend, but you really can't tell because of the way that see that shoulder armor gets in the way here. So I have a feeling that would loosen up a little bit over time. This here comes with the scepter thing too. It's kind of neat. The head, don't get a lot of, I mean, it's on a ball joint and you can move it around a lot, but this backpack, yeah, it's kind of in the way of that, like that backwards motion. You can get the bend about like that with the leg. The foot's just on a ball joint. Yeah, I mean, all in all, it's your standard high grade. This waist part here also kind of pops up off. That I think that this kit here probably, I could be wrong. It may be one of the first kits that HG kits that does not come with polycaps. I don't know. But all in all, it was a fun little build. It didn't take long at all. Had a good time building it. It was something a little different. I don't usually build a lot of high grade kits anymore. I prefer the master grade 1/100. But as you can see, you can get a lot of different poses out of this thing. Sway, a little bit of ab crunch. Not so much back, but you can put it in some pretty neat little poses. So, kind of like that one that I had there. It's kind of, I don't know. It's my first Age kit. I've been building Gundams for a long time and Gunpla for a long time. In fact, I started my modeling when I was in middle school and in high school. I built model cars, so I've done a lot of modeling over the years. And then I found Gunpla a second time because I found it first when Wing was out, and those kits were readily available. And then when IBO came out, I got back into building. So some of these kits I never even have seen. and some of them I've seen way too many times, I guess. But all in all, it really is it's a fun little kit. I know it's P Bandai, but there is a normal version of it. I might try and get a hold of one of those so I can compare them later on. I don't know. We'll see. Because they don't reprint some of the Age kits very often, it seems. But once, you know, if I do get that or it is re-released, then I'll do a second part to this and we'll compare them. The other ones are a lot pinker, I think, than this one here is. I think it's more of a hot pink. But all in all, it was a fun kit. It was not really expensive for being P Bandai either, getting it from P Bandai. I wasn't going to get this kit, and then I just felt like buying something. So I did panel line it. I used the Tamiya dark gray accent panel liner here. And I thought that looked better on the kit with the pink. And this is pretty much what it looks like out of the box, panel lined and build up. So, all right, well, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you very much. This is just a little in between that I decided I'd do. Figured I'd build up some other kits and just do little quick reviews on them. I know it probably wasn't the greatest review, but it's something, shows you something about this kit. I haven't really seen a lot of videos on this kit, so I thought, well, it'd be fun to do a little sort of review on it. So all in all, like I said, it was a fun kit. So I would say if you have a chance and you want something a little bit different to build an HG grade, go ahead and pick it up. It really isn't a horribly expensive kit, I don't think. So anyways, thank you very much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that have subscribed and that keep watching my videos. And I'm really happy that my channel's growing. Each day it seems like I pick up a couple subscribers. Sometimes it's a little slow, and I know I'm a little slower getting these videos out. But I am doing the series on the Forbidden. Next is going to be the paint, so we'll get working on that here soon. And I guess that's going to be it for today's video. The Gundam AGE Fan Farsia, not just the Farsia, the Fan Farsia, because it's got the fawn colors, I guess, or whatever. But anyways, all right, check it out for yourself. I grabbed this at P Bandai. I know that they're around. I'm sure that it'll be back on P Bandai at some point in the near future, so just have to watch for it. Like I said, I think the kit was like a $16 or $17 kit on P Bandai plus shipping. So I think it was under $30 with the shipping. But all right, well, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to go down below, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and make sure you like this video and you watch it until the end. That way, you know, it gets pushed out in the algorithm. That really helps me out. So, all right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon.